Hi guys, I am Sayyid Muhammad Ali and you are watching Pinnacle Skills and Management. Guys, today we have a very interesting question that is regarding the selling interview. When you are in the interview process, the interviewer asks you that sell me this thing. Sometimes it's a ballpoint, sometimes it's a watch, or sometimes it could be anything, right? He want to basically assess your selling capabilities and your selling approach and how do you target the market and how cogent you are in selling your product. How do you sell the product feature and benefit to the customer, and finally how do you close your sales call. So basically in this question he want to evaluate your selling potential. So today we will make a demo of selling a product when you are in an interview process. So the interviewer asking you, hey, Mr. Ali, can you sell this ballpoint to me? Yes, sir. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I will try my level best to sell it. Sir, I am Mr. Ali and I am from a company Dollar, and that is having a manufacturing of different sort of ballpoints and the pens. So we are now introducing one of our new product, that is the Dollar High Class Advanced Ballpoint. So you see this pen has a lot of features which is basically required for the customers. Number one, we have improved its grip. So now it's easy to grip and easy to write. So you can write for a longer time, without any exertion or without any pain. Number second, this ballpoint is available in different colors. So this is another advantage. Plus he can buy the color of his own choice. So this ballpoint has a lot of positive features, including a very reasonable price. That is just it's costing $1. So I'm sure of sir, you would like to use this ballpoint. No, Mr. Ali, I'm so sorry, I cannot buy it because it's very cheap ballpoints. Maybe it is having all these benefits and the features which you told me, but I am an executive person, and I need everything as per my status. So this is a very economical and non-branded product. So it will be not suitable for me to keep this ballpoint during meetings and when I am interacting with the public, because it does not match to my status. So that's why I'm sorry, I cannot buy it. But I am just requesting you to buy these ballpoints for your staff, because you have the staff, they are using the ballpoints and they often come to you with their successful assignments, and that is the time where if you just give them the gift of these ballpoints as a gift in recognition of their efforts they've done regarding the script or the articles they have written for your company, so that will match the situation, and that gift will ever be remembered by your staff, and definitely that will be a pleasant moment for them. Sir, should I be confident that you would like to purchase some of the ballpoints for your staff? So please, I am sending you to my procurement department. I am giving them a telephone call. They will definitely buy some of the ballpoints for the staff and for me as well, right? So guys, if we just analyze this video, so when we were talking to the customer, we focus the product to sell him. A salesperson does not, depressed or close the sales call when the customer says no. Saying no in sales is the beginning area of a sales. So it means when the customer say no, so you have an opportunity to discuss the hidden areas and explore them. So we have just diversified the focus, and finally we succeeded in doing our sales. So always have a multiple vision when we are going for a sales. Good luck.